Bro, everyone's talking about crypto and Binance. What exactly is spot trading? Simple words. Spot trading means you buy a coin and you own it instantly, no loans, no leverage, no pressure. So if I buy Bitcoin on Binance, it's actually mine? Exactly. You can hold it, sell it later, or transfer it anytime. That's why spot trading is best for beginners. What about market and limit orders? I see those everywhere. Market order buys instantly at current price. Limit order lets you set your own price and wait. Beginners usually start with market orders. Can I lose everything? In spot trading, you only lose what you invest. No liquidation like futures. Any beginner tips? Yeah, start small, avoid hype, don't rush, and always have patience. Crypto rewards discipline, not emotions. Alright, spot trading sounds manageable now. Exactly. Learn first, profits come later.